Good afternoon. Myself Karthikeyan, Assistant Professor, Department of CSC, Government College of Engineering, Sengipati, Tanjavur. Today, I am going to explain the concept of characteristics of a Java program. So we know that the Java program is one of the programming language normally we use for development of applications in current world. So that there is some different characteristics of Java program we have compared to other programming languages like C and C++. So the different characteristics of Java is the first one is called as a simple. So Java program is easy to develop. Second one is Java is a purely object-oriented programming. We know that once if you are saying the language is a object-oriented programming, it supports all the basic 7 elements of OOPs. They are one is a class, second one is object, third one is a data abstraction, then encapsulation, then inheritance, polymorphism, message passing, dynamic binding. That is called late binding. So these are the different basic elements of OOPs. So we know that whenever the language is called as a purely object-oriented programming, it must support all the basic elements of this OOPs. So we know that the class is called as a class is called, it provides a template for all the objects. It consists of data and operations. And the object, the memory will be allocated. It contains only the real values, and this object is called as a runtime entity. And the data abstraction is the process of hiding the background implementation details. And encapsulation is the process of grouping data elements and member function into a single unit. That is called grouping of class properties. Inheritance is the process of accessing one class property into another class. That is called parent and child relationship. Polymorphism means that it is the ability to take a more than one form. So there are two types of polymorphism. One is compile time and current time. And message passing is the functions when communicated through different kind of function can communicate with each other through different kind of passing values through either call by value or call by reference mechanism. And next one is called as a dynamic binding. Dynamic binding is also called as late binding. Means that it is used to to map with the function which is currently going to execute by a compiler. Means a compile machine at the time of running the program. Okay, and the third one is that is called a portable and as well as a robust. We know that portable means it is a fixed one. It can be run in any type of operating system. So we know that while you are compiling any Java program, it creates a dot class file. The dot class file will be readable by the machine. It will not understand by the human being. So that the class file, there is an interpreted language. So that the class file you run the class file in any operating system without the help of any source code, so that we can say it is a portable. And also robust means that even if there are any changes in the source code, it should not affect the class file until they are compiled. Same with there is a changes in the class file, it not affect the source file. So this is the way we can achieve the portable and as well as a robust. And Java should support the concept of multi-threading. Multi-threading means that the single process. So parallelly we can execute more than one thread. So that Java supports multi-threading concept. And it's a platform independent. We know that the Dart class file will be generated by the Java compiler. So this Java class file will be run in any operating system without any changes on its content. So that it is called as a platform independent, architectural neutral. It is the same line. So the class file will be means that the Java class file will be run in any operating system without any small changes on the bytecode. So that we call as a Java is a architectural neutral, means that the output of the compiler code will be run in any operating system without any small changes on the code. And Java is an interpreted programming language. And Java, so similar to that, Java can run in any operating system without any changes. So that always Java provides a high performance. And Java normally used to create a distributed applications. So means that normally Java is used for developing, used in internet application like applet and servlet concepts. Applet means it's a client-server programming, and servlet is a server-side scripting languages. So that we can use this Java programming language to develop both the client and server-side applications. And Java is a highly secure compared to C and C++, because if there is any changes on the class code, does not affect the original source code. And the dynamic, so normally, so that is dynamic message means that the Java can link with any files, any predefined function or any method at the time of only running. so that it will be dynamically binding with any other methods, with a method which is called by us. So these are the different characteristics of Java program. So once again, I repeat. So the characteristics means Java have a n number of means that nearly 11 characteristics is have. One is Java is easy to develop, so that it is called as simple to develop the applications. And Java is a purely object-oriented programming language. Due to that, means Java and the purely object-oriented programming language supports all the basic elements of whose properties. And Java, it's a robust and as well as a portable. Because of that, a class file. Java supports the concept of multi-threading. Java supports the concept of distributed applications. Java supports a platform independent, architectural neutral. It is an interpreted language, and it is provides the high performance it can use in any applications. And the next one is highly secure, and as well as it is a dynamic. It is a dynamic in nature. That means Java program is dynamic nature. That means that it will be dynamically to link with each others. I can showcase it with the help of how the class will be created with the help of simple programs. So now I'm going to create a simple applications. Just a minute, I'm going to save this. So import java.io.star. I'm going to create a class ES. So I'm going to create a main function. So for every class, that is a separate class file will be created, so that we can use that class file for access. Means we can run the class files without the help of your source code. My program is test.java. So here my class name is space. Before that, just you can check it. Is there any file is called as a test.java at the ES? Only the .java file is there. Then remaining test one there is there. So now I'm going to compile. So Java C test.java. So wait for a compilation process to complete. So once successfully compiled, then automatically test.class will be created. We can check in. So just to see there, there is a file name is class file is created under test class file. Once successfully compiled. So now we are going to compile this test. Welcome to this demo. Okay, so I told that even we must know what is the content of the file, because whether it support for easy to edit. So I'm going to check with the test.java. So sorry, test.class file. So means it consists of machine class language. This class can be run in any operating system. So that means that we can how to say that this class file is only understand by the machine. It is not understand by the human being. So that even if there is any changes in the code, it should not affect the source code. And even if that unavailability of a source code, even assume that a Java file is closed. Means it's deleted. Now there is no source code under the name is called test.java, but even we can able to run it without the help of a source code. Even we can able to run it, so that we call as a platform independent as well as highly secure. Even there is no source code is there, with the help of class code we can able to run it. So these are the important characteristics of a Java program we have. So that only we are mainly prefer to use the Java for developing many applications. Thank you.